Well, yet another review of the past paper of October 2010. Bachelor of Business Management, Faculty of Commerce and Management, University of California. And answer 5 questions, including questions number 1. This is on Business Management E1015, Principles of Management. Read the case study and answer the questions given at the end. Let me read the case study now on process of management in Susindu industry. Susindu industry was consisted of 6 departments, namely production, quality control, marketing, human resource management, finance and supplies, and each department was headed by a manager serving under the direction of general manager. The chairman of the industry was functioning as the head of the institution and the board of directors. There were 3 products manufactured by the organization, and the task of each product were handled by the production department. Employees of the organization got the instructions regarding performance of their duties directly from the respective manager. However, there were certain situations where employees used to get instructions with regard to performing their jobs from a manager attached to a different department. The manager handling the function of quality control used to give instruction to employees attached to human resource management department concerning disciplinary matters of the employees, although the subject was under the control of human resource manager. Once again, the manager handling the function of quality control used to give instructions to employees attached to the human resource management department concerning disciplinary matters of his employees, although the subject was under the control of human resource manager. Similarly, there were situations where financial manager, supplies manager, or production manager used to give directions to the employees attached to other departments when such managers had some directions to the employees attached to other departments. When such managers had some interest on a particular subject matter. The only problem arisen in this regard was that when the general manager took up a subject matter of such nature, the manager in charge of that subject was not aware of it, and he had to get a clarification from the manager who gave instructions on a particular aspect. Nevertheless, this practice did not influence the effective functioning of management process of the organization. The chairman had a system of getting a feedback on the performance of employees through grapevines, and it was observed that most of the decisions taken for improving performance based on the information received through grapevines were successful. The organization did not like any interest to monitor information relevant to the similar products manufactured by other organizations and the services provided by such manufacturers, since there was no problem with regard to the marketing quality of products or any other functional areas of the organization. Nevertheless, the chairman had a system of receiving information through customers' complaints, and it was effectively used for improving quality of products and sales. The organization earned high level of profits compared to other business firms producing similar products available in the market. There were no specific targets set for production or sales, and the board of directors were always satisfied with the profit earned by the organization. Having reviewed the progress made so far by the organization, the board of directors at its last meeting decided to appoint a management consultant to study the status quo of the organization and to get a report on the process of management operating in the organization at present, and also to seek his recommendation for continuation of the same process in the future as well. Answer the following two questions, assuming that you have been appointed as the management consultant and all the facts stated above have been undoubtedly revealed to you. The question A, on this case, explain the management problems existing in the above organization and the solution you recommend for solving them, stating very clearly the principles of management relevant to each aspect of the problem and recommended solutions. B. Question B, on the same case, what is your comment about the existing departmentalization of this organization? Answer this question in terms of principles of management relevant to departmentalization. Question number 2. Management is the attainment of organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner through planning, organizing, leading and controlling organizational resources. Author Richard L. Duft. Make a clarification on key ideas, concepts given in this definition of management, summarizing all the fundamental aspects relating to them. Number 3, that's question number 3. An important determinant of the manager's job is hierarchical levels. The other major difference in management jobs occurs across the organization. A. Question A. Describe the levels of management along with examples and responsibilities of managers at each level. B. Explain in detail horizontal differences in management jobs, citing examples. Question number 4. While Frederick Taylor, known as the father of scientific management, was concerned with improving efficiency and work methods for individual workers, Henry Fayol, one of the theorists behind the administrative approach of management, who was more concerned with how the entire organization would be arranged for efficient operations. Discuss whether you can justify the above statement, explaining contributions made by Frederick Taylor and Henry Fayol to the scientific management and general administrative theories of management respectively. Question number 5. Write short notes on 3 topics out of the following. Short notes should be written in such a way that relevant management concepts are clarified. A. Interpersonal communication and organizational communication. B. Social obligation and social responsiveness. C. Positive deviations and negative deviations. D. Organizational mission and vision. C. Problems and decisions. F. Open systems and closed systems. Question number 6. Management by objectives, MBO, is a method whereby managers and employees define goals for every department, project, and person and use them to monitor subsequent performance. A. Explain the major activities that must occur in order for MBO to be successful. C. Discuss benefits of MBO and problems with MBO. 7. Explain the 7. Question number 7. Part A. Explain the factors influencing the amount of centralization and decentralization. Part B of question number 7. Contrast mechanistic and organic organization. Well, that ends this module on past paper Principles of Management 2009-2010.